Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me on the last day, which is day 5 of a week in my hair. I'm just gonna be doing, can't get in. Oh, the bones. Okay, for those of you who have not watched day 1, 2, 3 and 4, how rude. I'll leave a link anyway up here so you can see the series, all right? This is a requested video for me, how I maintain my hair in the week, especially during the winter. I have had a challenging week where I've done so many different things to my hair. It's not a typical week, but it so happens, you know, there were things and we overcame them. Anyway, get yourself a cup of tea, and in my case, a cappuccino. Sit back and relax. Call your friends, you know, get them to watch it too, okay? For those of you who watched me yesterday, you would have known that I trimmed my hair. My ends needed a good trim. Today, the hair is looking very bushy. This looks very bushy, doesn't it? Looks healthy, the colour looks rich. I've not put anything, no, that's a lie, sorry, let me come back. I have put some in my hair. I didn't put a shower cap on in the shower, yeah. I didn't put a shower cap on, and I let the steam infuse my strands, and then it didn't get wet. It was just like moisture in the air. And then I put the tiniest bit of leave-in conditioner by Amaré-Me. I will leave the details down in the description box below. And my hair kind of dried within moments because I'm in the house with the radiators on. This is a time for me to infuse my hair with moisture. Let me just show you my hair so far. So I have my hair in a banana clip. I do have some curl defining jelly on this part of my hair. It's left my hair with such a nice shine, and it's got such great hold. My hair is gone straight. It's not wash day, it's day 5 today, so I've got at least 2 more days before I actually wash the hair. So all I like to do every now and again when I feel like I just need a little, you know, just a little bit more moisture, kind of a midweek moisture boost. Although it's not midweek, but you don't need to tell anybody, okay? I'm gonna mix my 2 conditioners together. My deeper, which is a Aveda deep conditioner, and the silk conditioner, all by Amaré-Me, of course. As you may or may not know, the silk conditioner, if you've used it, come on, tell us in the comments. Let everybody know how good it is. The silk conditioner is so creamy, so moisturizing. It is really, really conditioning, and that will change your hair, the silk conditioner. Those of you who tried it, you've said the same thing. Oh, woo, just needed that. Now also I'm going to be putting in the deeper. It's got other rich ingredients that is a fantastic balance of strengthening and moisturizing, and coupled with the silk conditioner, it is a marriage of beautifulness. Anyway, let's get on with it, okay, because I could really talk about my products for a long time. I am just going to section my hair in 4. All I'm going to be doing is applying it, and I want you to see how nice my hair is. All right, so I'm just lightly finger detangling like I need to. I feel like my hair curled up on itself a little bit after going in the shower. So I'm just going to give my hair a gentle detangle. All right, so I think I will put in the silk conditioner first because it really gets into my hair strands. It just penetrates right in, and I think it's because of the avocado in it. You'll see for yourself. Now, I'm not putting any water in. I want it to just soak into my hair completely. So I'm going to start with the ends. And let's just go make my way up the hair shaft. See what I mean by how it penetrates into the hair? I haven't even got any water in my hair, and it just, oof. Listen, you want to get yourself some silk conditioner. These 2 products I really love putting into my scalp anyway, because they do have properties in there that will help nourish the scalp, help with hair fall, help with dandruff, give you a great pH balance, hydrate the scalp, and of course add in that all important moisture. And it feels amazing. Oh! So now I've done that, I'm now going to take deeper, bit by bit. I'll probably need more than that, but I'm just going to use my fingers to comb from the root. I'm just going to do the same on every single quadrant now. Okay, sip on your tea, girl. Now you might be wondering why I haven't put any water in my hair. I get some really great results when I put the product on first without putting any water. I've found that when I just use a deep conditioner or a conditioner or a treatment on dry hair, I always find that it really soaks into my hair better than when my hair's damp or wet. It's not as silky, it's not as shiny, it's not as much as it could be, okay? Right, okay, I'm gonna put a cap on my hair and then I'm gonna put the steam cap on. Okay, so this is rose water just for effects so that I can actually have a steam. I'm just going to spray just that, that's it. Okay, let's go for 10 minutes. Okay, so that was 10 minutes. Actually, it was 15. There's not that much moisture in there at all. I mean, there is some, but not that much. Let me just show you how lovely this is on my hair. Look, it's all in my hair strands, penetrated in. And my hair doesn't feel wet. It just feels like it's got a product on my hair. Not soaking wet, not even damp. It's just silky, smooth. You can feel the product. And so when it's like this, I don't mind sleeping overnight with it. And also don't run the risk of having high growth fatigue. Look at that. Oh, that is the moisture added right back into my hair. I really do think that this is worth a try. You don't run the risk of getting high growth fatigue or forming any kind of fungal issues in your scalp because you don't want that. Okay guys, it's the end of this video and it's the end of this week in my hair series. Am I relieved? I've kind of enjoyed it, but it has been hard work because obviously I'm running Amaré-Me and I'm trying to take care of all of your orders. Keep them coming in, please. I will leave the details in the description bar below if you are interested to see the beautiful, rich ingredients that I put in my natural products. Guys, I'm going now. Thank you so much. Don't forget to tune in to my usual Sunday videos. I will be uploading on Sunday. Please give it a big fat thumbs up because it helps your girl out, okay? And if you're not following me on Instagram, please do follow me. I do actually upload on stories every single day, so follow me, okay? I'm going now because, as I always say, I don't know why does the silly always come? It always comes at the end. I think I'm just so excited that I've finished the video. Anyway guys, I'm going now. I will see you again on Sunday on my next video. You take care and God bless you. Mwah! Bye.